This is a review of the Shark HV301 corded vacuum that I would highly recommend. This vacuum, as you can see here, what I want to start off by saying is that this vacuum, I love the gray and orange finish that it has. And another thing I like about this vacuum is that the weight on this vacuum is, for a corded vacuum, it is under 9 pounds, which is very lightweight. You can see here as I grab it, it is very lightweight and it doesn't have a huge weight on it. It's like you could carry around everywhere. That lid that you see that opened up right here, that is for the dispenser and pretty much for the dust and debris that collects as you vacuum your carpet. And it's very easy to take out and dispense whenever you have to. Right over here, you see here, that's the off button right there, which is the O button. Then when you see the 1 button, that is for your hard floors. So when you're cleaning hard floors, such as example as this towels that I have right over here, that's for hard floors. And right here, number 2 is for your carpet. So if you have carpet, that's what you use for that. I'm going to demonstrate that and show you guys quick on how easy and versatile this vacuum is. Extremely lightweight. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to switch it up as you vacuum. So one thing I want to point out is that this vacuum, it is corded, but the wire is extremely long. And you can see here, like I mentioned, that's the off button. But when I click the number 1, that's for your hard floors such as tiles. But I'm going to go to number 2 and hit number 2 because I'm cleaning carpet. And when I do that, you can see there's a big difference when I clean on carpet, and you can see the difference is very huge as compared to the other side that is right over there. And I love this vacuum due to the fact that it also has a swivel feature where you can move it around. So pretty much you can also do it like this. It goes to every direction as you turn. So if you're in tight corners, for example, then it's very useful to use that. If you're in like those spots where it's very hard to reach, that is one of a huge plus and a unique thing I like about this vacuum. Now I'm going to go on the hard floors and tiles and show you guys how good it cleans. So now I'm on my hard floor, and when I click the button, which is number 1, you can see it looks very clean, the tiles, and pretty much as you can see the carpet. So I could be using number 1 and then also going to number 2 at the same time. So like this. So you can see right there, you could do it 2 at one time. So pretty much if you're on your hard floor, you could go automatically jump into the carpet mode and go do it at the same time without pressing the button, turning it off, that's another thing I like about it. Another thing I like about this vacuum is that you could also use it to clean your ceilings on your roof. And you could easily do that when you take that off, which I'll show you guys that too in a minute, where you could take it off and also clean pretty much your couches, pretty much anywhere, your ceilings, your fans, pretty much anything, which I'll show you that in a minute. So this is the mode that I was telling you about. You could easily change it to clean your ceilings, your pretty much like even couches, you could use that too. It comes with 3 of them that you can use for different type of settings. So you can use it for your couch, you can use it for your ceiling, you can use it for pretty much anywhere. And now I'm gonna do it for my ceiling to show you guys how easy it is and versatile this vacuum is, which you could, do it now and see how clean it cleans up the ceilings. So that right there, you can see how versatile the Shark HV301 vacuum is. This is a vacuum that I would highly recommend because of how it is very versatile. The weight is under 9 pounds. It's very super lightweight. And you can see that I could use this for pretty much any single thing. You can use it for your furnitures. You can use it for your couches. You can use it for your ceilings, your fans, anywhere. And it is a very versatile vacuum. I would highly recommend the Shark HV301. If you are wanting a vacuum that pretty much does everything, then this is probably one of the best ones.